Angular schematics. Schematics Angular. So before, if you understand that there's something called Angular Dev Kit Schematics, Schematics Angular is the collection of rules, rule factories, and so on that all the major schematics projects use and leverage. What that means is these are utilities that don't have a public API, but are ultimately in some ways integral to building with schematics. The way that any of these projects here, whether it's NGRX, whether it's the Upstate schematics, or whether it's NX, they copy and paste code out of the schematics Angular project, included in their own project. And that's as a result of there being no guarantee of a public API that's stable. And in some ways, you could imagine that's unintuitive to develop with. When you're looking to build and learn how to use an application, and in the Angular world where everything is very well documented, very well stable, having this Angular dev kit world is jarring to begin with. Needing to copy and paste things around, it takes a learning curve. And given that it's implicit that you do need to do these essential things without being mentioned in the documentation, it can take a little bit to understand how to do that. When you know going in that that's what you need to do, and when you can take from before writing code the idea that you'll be copying and pasting code over, it's straightforward. You take the rule functions that you need, modify them to your liking, and continue as you would. Yet the flip of it, trying to write these rule factories yourself is it's like a Herculean task. It requires tremendous strength, requires tremendous amount of development energy, and it has a cost associated with it. So one fellow has this, it's the same, but unofficial package called Schematics Utilities. It has AST utils, projects, and package, and when you build with Angular schematics, these things are key and essential ways of manipulating trees and working with the broader structures of the world. So you can install it today. It is unofficial. It is not widely popular. And so I think that gives us an opportunity to have a public API for Schematics Angular in the future. All the schematics developers will be really happy with it.